The next construction I want to show you is a perpendicular line to a line from a point P on the line. So essentially you're going to be given a line segment, and then you're going to be given a point on that line segment, and you want to construct the perpendicular through point P. So what you have to do, you have to start by putting one point on point P, and then wherever distance, I would make it a little bit more than half, you have to draw a line. My lines don't match up there, but that's okay. And then you're going to switch, keeping the same distance, all right? You're going to switch and draw on this side. Now, that went a little bit too far, but that's okay. Next, what you're going to do is we're going to come down here, and then you're going to put one end on this point here, where you created your first line, and then you're going to go slightly across slightly across the other side of the point that you're looking for, and you're going to draw a line. And then you're going to switch and put a point here, and then draw another line. Now, those lines are kind of rough. I'll do it better on this side, but once you do that, then you can take the intersection of this point here, you do two lines that you drew with the point given, and you can draw a straight line through it. If you have any questions on that, this one will be a little bit easier to manage. So construct the perpendicular line through a point on a line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at point P, and I'm going to draw a line, and then I'm going to come across, keeping the same distance, put my point on point P, and draw your line. So you should look like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to start at this point, and you want to extend your pencil a little bit past point P. I'm going to go about halfway between P and the dot, and you're going to create your half arc. And then you're going to come over here, and you're going to put one point on the other line you drew, keeping the same distance, all right? And then you're going to draw another line, another arc. Once you drew that arc, all right, then you're going to line up your ruler with the point and the intersection, and then draw a line. I'm going to fix mine a little bit because I know it's not the best, but so that is how you draw a perpendicular through a point on a line. That is not perfect, nor do I expect yours to be either, but as long as you can get the general idea of what's happening, we'll be good to go.